How to remove VPN icons from menu bar on Mac. To remove the VPN icon from the menu bar on your Mac, you can follow these simple steps. As you can see on my menu bar, there is a VPN icon available. Now, in order to remove this, first of all, simply tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from the drop-down menu, tap on the System Settings. Once inside System Settings, in the left-hand side panel, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the Control Center option available there, and simply tap on it. Once inside the Control Center, scroll down unless you see VPN options available there. Once you see VPN, you can see there is option available, Show in Menu Bar or Don't Show in Menu Bar. Now simply tap on the Don't Show in Menu Bar, and once you tap on it, the VPN icon will be removed from the menu bar. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.